Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your sunroof drains. So it's pretty straightforward. This is something that everyone should do at least once a year if you have a sunroof on your vehicle. This method, it will work for pretty much all sunroofs. You only need a couple things. It takes like maybe 10 minutes to do. The main reason why you want to clean them, because if they get clogged, they can cause water to come inside your vehicle and your headliner can get wet, your floorboards can get wet, and it's not something fun to deal with. It can damage electronics if it gets really bad. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So let's jump in and I'll show you what you're gonna need. All right, so the two things you're gonna need is a bottle of water and then a sunroof drain pipe cleaner. You can get this off of Amazon. I will link this in the description below. So let's open this up and I'll show you exactly where the drains are on these. Alright, so here comes the fun part. You might need to stand on your seats. If you do, go ahead and take off your shoes. That way you don't get them dirty. Or you can sit on your center console as long as it doesn't break. But I am choosing to sit on the center console. So here is your air deflector. And if you look right in between here, this one's actually really easy to see. Some models, the drain tube area like goes a little bit farther back. So you can see this hole right here. That's one drain. And then over in the other corner, you're gonna see the other hole. That's another drain. The four corners, each of them is gonna have a drain. The ones on the rear are literally the worst to get to. You can have fun trying to get those. They're gonna be back there in the same position. Just follow the corner. It is really tricky to get to the rear ones, but the front ones are more likely to get clogged because if you have it open, you'll have some leaves and dirt like get in between here, and then they'll just get like pushed down in those tubes. I'm gonna slap you guys on my head and then we're gonna go through the whole motion of cleaning this. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take some of our water. This happens to have just a little bit of soap in it. I was using it for other things. So in this galley right here, we're just going to pour some of that water into it. So you can pour it up like right up over here, not too much. Oop. Try not to drip it everywhere. So pour a little bit in. We're going to grab our drain snake and then just fish this into that hole right there. And we're just going to feed it down. Now remember, this tube follows the A-pillar all the way down and it drains out on the bottom of your vehicle. I'll show you what that looks like after we're done cleaning these. So all you really need to do is go all the way down until it stops. You can twist it a little bit, come up. And yeah, that's it. These ones actually, this one seems pretty clean. So you're gonna do this just a couple times. Pour some water in, run it down. And I'd say that's good. Now we can do the driver's side. Yeah, once you stop it like bottoms out, don't push it. The hose could pop off. The clamps that they hold the hose down on, it's not really super tight. Ah, that one was a little dirtier. Yeah, so it's literally just that easy. These seem pretty good, and you can take a rag and just like clean out this whole galley in here if you have any debris. That's about it. Now we can attempt to get the rear ones. Those are literally the hardest ones to get. Just pour a little bit in here. That should make its way to the back. Well, let's see if I can find where it needs to go in. I'm just guessing at this point. Okay, I don't want to get that thing stuck. But let me show you where the drains are. All right, and we're at the front of the car, right behind the tire. And you see the water collecting here? There is a drain, I think it's like right up under here, wherever that's dripping out. It's kind of hard to see. But if we open up the trunk, I can show you what the tube looks like. All right, in the back of the 4Runner, this panel right here, there is this clear tube. This is your drain tube. This is actually what it looks like. And for some reason, I don't know why this is unplugged. This is something that you need to check as well. See this black tube right here? This goes through this piece of sheet metal, and then the drain is supposed to be underneath the bumper. So make sure your tube is in here, because we don't want to get any rust forming in here. That's not good. There we go. Glad I checked that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna turn around my 4Runner and put it on the incline in the driveway. I want to see if my rear sunroof drains are actually draining or if they're clogged. So let me turn the vehicle around and we're gonna find out. All right, now that it is on an incline, let's go ahead and see if it drains. Yep, there we go. Let's check the passenger side. There we go. So slow. All right, guys, so it looked like the passenger side was draining a little bit on the slower side. All I need to do is put that just that pipe cleaner down that tube, and then just break up any blockage. Or it might have been that it was like, because the car was skewed a little bit, it was leaning more on the driver's side, it could have been leaking out or just draining on the driver's side a little bit more. That's all you have to do to clean your sunroof drains. It's pretty simple, just something that way, you know, you make sure that everything can drain and you don't damage electrical components because the tube is clogged. And if you guys want to know how to clean and lubricate the sunroof components, comment below. I'll go ahead and make a video on that as well. But anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I'll catch you on the next ride.